Our project name is RailTel Discussion Forum, and we are doing this in Visual Studio, and our backend is SQL Server. So we'll start it from first of all we'll go to File, then Open, and then we'll find the location. My location is in Desktop Final Project. This is the project, and this is the website code. This is the project. Now we'll go to the first page, that is the login page. This is the login page. So we'll get the slides. This is the login page. It's named as RailTel Corporation of India Limited. We're having the username and the password, and the username and the password has been set by the admin, and it's already stored in the database. So we'll start with the username is p.priya, and the password is p123456. Now the user has logged in. Only the registered users can log into this page. The employees of the organization are the registered users. There are various blocks in this website, that is HR, project, sales and marketing, operation and maintenance, and finance. Now there is also about us block which tells about the RailTel Corporation of India Limited. Now as we logged in as p.priya, P stands for project department. Now the user is of the project department, so in the HR department he can only view the comments or the post, so he can't make any new post. Now he'll go to the existing post. These are the posts which has already been given by the user. So now we can select any of the posts, and if we want to comment on that particular post we can select it and we can comment. Because we have commented on this. Now it's given that the record has been inserted, and if you want to view the comment, we can view it. See, by clicking on the view comment, we can view the comment. This is the comment which has been done by p.priya to the HR department. Now if I want to comment on it, I can even comment on this. As the member is of project department, now we'll go to the project department and we'll see. As the logged in user is a project department, now he can only post in its department. The project department member cannot post on any other department. They can only view the existing post and they can comment on it. As he has entered the new post, the record has been inserted in the database, and if you want to see the existing post, the same thing can be done by the project department itself. You can post and you can see. By selecting on the particular post, you can comment on that particular post. See, again it has been inserted, and if you want to see the same view, if you want to view the comments, then you can view the comment on it, and if you want to comment on it, you can again select it and you can comment on it. In this way our project works on. This is similar in means of sales and marketing, operation and maintenance, and finance department. The same thing happens with these three departments also. If a person now is of HR department, then the name starts with H dot, and if it is of sales and marketing, the name starts with S dot and O dot and F dot respectively. This is our project. This is useful in sense of easy communication and in the sense of notice. You have not to go for any boards and all. You can easily, the members of the employee of the organization can easily see. This is very secure since it is used only within an organization. Thank you. Thank you.